तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
हे गणनाथा गजानना
जय मां जय मां दया करो साई मां।
जय मां दया करो साई मां।
जय मां जय मां दया करो साई मां।
जय मां दया करो साई मां।
मुक्ति प्रदायिनी प्रेम प्रदायिनी शांति प्रदायिनी 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 मां।
जननी मां जननी जग जननी साई 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 मां।
दया करो साई मां। जय मां
दया करो साई मां। जय मां
कृपा करो साई मां।
कृपा करो साई मां।
जय मां जय मां दया करो साई मां।
जय मां दया करो साई मां।
मुक्ति प्रदायिनी प्रेम प्रदायिनी शांति प्रदायिनी मां।
मुक्ति प्रदायिनी प्रेम प्रदायिनी शांति प्रदायिनी मां।
जननी मां जननी जग जननी साई मां।
जननी मां जननी जग जननी साई मां।
दया करो साई मां। जय मां
दया करो साई मां। जय मां
कृपा करो साई मां। मृत्युञ्जयाय नमः मृत्युञ्जयाय नमः त्र्यम्बकाय नमः त्र्यम्बकाय नमः लिङ्गेश्वराय नमः लिङ्गेश्वराय नमः साईश्वराय नमः साईश्वराय नमः ॐ नमः शिवाय 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 नमः मृत्युञ्जयाय नमः त्र्यम्बकाय नमः लिङ्गेश्वराय नमः साईश्वराय नमः ॐ नमः शिवाय 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 नमः मृत्युञ्जयाय नमः
शिर्डी निवासा साई शंकरा शिर्डी निवासा साई शंकरा परती निवासा साई शंकरा परती निवासा साई शंकरा जगदीश्वर ओंकारेश्वर, जय 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 जगदीश्वर ओंकारेश्वर। शिरडी निवासा साई शंकरा, अयोध्या विहारी श्री राम राम रामा, अयोध्या विहारी श्री राम राम रामा, द्वारका विहारी श्री कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण, द्वारका विहारी श्री कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण, सप्तगिरिहारी गोविंद गोविंद, सप्तगिरिहारी गोविंद गोविंद, निज भक्त हृदय विहारी श्री साईनाथ देवा, निज भक्त हृदय विहारी श्री साईनाथ देवा, अयोध्या विहारी श्री राम राम रामा, द्वारका विहारी श्री कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण, सप्तगिरि विहारी गोविंद गोविंद, निज भक्त हृदय विहारी श्री साईनाथ देवा, निज भक्त हृदय विहारी श्री साईनाथ देवा, अयोध्या विहारी श्री राम राम रामा,
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय,
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 सीता सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
पराक्रम आंजनेय 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 की जय।
परतीपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
परतीपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
परतीपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
परतीपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
सीतापति रामचंद्र की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
पराक्रम आंजनेय 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 की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पतिपुरी साईनाथ की जय।
पवन सुत हनुमान की जय।
वनमाली राधा रमणा गिरिधारी गोविंदा। वनमाली राधा रमणा गिरिधारी गोविंदा। नीलमेघ सुंदरा नारायण गोविंदा। नीलमेघ सुंदरा नारायण गोविंदा। वनमाली राधा रमणा गिरिधारी गोविंदा। भक्त हृदय मंदारा भानुकोटि सुंदरा। भक्त हृदय मंदारा भानुकोटि सुंदरा। नंद नंद गोप वृंद
वाहेगुरु 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 की बोलो वाहेगुरु 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 की बोलो सत्यनाम 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 बोलो सत्यनाम 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 नित्य जपिए तेरे नाम की बोलो नित्य जपिए तेरे नाम की बोलो सत्यनाम 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 की बोलो राम 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 की बोलो राम 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 की बोलो मुझको मुझको बच्चिए राम नाम की बोलो कृष्ण 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 जी बोलो बोलो कृष्ण 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 जी बोलो मुझको बच्चिए कृष्ण नाम जी बोलो शिव 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 नाम जी बोलो बोलो शिव 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 नाम जी बोलो मुझको बच्चिए सत्य नाम जी बोलो बोलो हर 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 जी बोलो बोलो हरि 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 जी बोलो सत्यनाम 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 जी दत्त 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 दत्तात्रेय जी बोलो दत्त 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 बोलो दत्त 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 दत्तात्रेय जी बोलो सत्यनाम जी बोलो बोलो नित्य जपिए सत्यनाम जी नित्य जपिए सत्यनाम जी बोलो वाहेगुरु बोलो वाहेगुरु
Have you ever tried to outsmart God, outwit God or your guru? I have tried it on a couple of occasions, sometimes unconsciously, that's okay, but sometimes I have tried it consciously, and it is in that process of trying to outwit Swami that I learnt about the greatest weakness that he has. And naturally, since it is his greatest weakness, that should become our greatest strength as well. Let me go through that beautiful incident. It was, well, let me confess that it was not beautiful when it happened. Today when I look back, it is so beautiful. It was the year 1999, and that was the time when Sai Kulwant Hall was undergoing some modifications. The roof was being plated with gold sheets. If you come to Sai Kulwant Hall today and look up, you will see that there is that beautiful background of green with gold plated designs. That was being done in the year 1999, and therefore darshans were shifted to the Purnachandra auditorium. Now, in the month of June, when my birthday came, I had this desire that I wanted Swami to sign my photograph. I had this feeling that when it is somebody's birthday, Swami cannot afford to disappoint them. And therefore, if I take the photograph that I had clicked for him to sign on my birthday, Swami will not be able to refuse me. This was my intelligence. Okay, this was my intelligence playing. So on my birthday, I was seated right in the front in the Purnachandra auditorium, right where Swami gets down from the stage using the steps. I was seated there in the first line, and I was sure that once Swami blesses me, he will sign my photograph. This was a photograph I had taken of Swami during the Shivratri in 1999. I had made it into a big 40 inches by 60 inches. No, 30 inches by 40 inches, and I thought Swami will sign it. Swami came, blessed all of us birthday boys who were seated there, and he began to sign photographs for the birthday boys. I was thrilled. He signed for the first boy, the second one, I was the third. When he came to me, he took the marker, opened the cap, pulled on the photograph to sign, but then suddenly he had a change of mind. So he just replaced the cap, gave me the pen, walked away. And I was disappointed and surprised. Why didn't Swami sign my photograph? I am also a birthday boy and I am seated here. Well, that was just the beginning. Because I returned back to the hostel disappointed, and I thought that I have to get this photograph signed. So the next day also I went to the warden and I said that there's a very important photograph that I want Swami to sign. So can I sit in the front? The warden gave me a special chit. If we had to go before the lines, go to the mandir to sit early in the front, you had to take a special chit from the warden. So this chit would usually be given in case of some emergency or urgent needs or birthday, somebody is sick, something like this. So I took that chit and went, but I sat in the front with the birthday boys because I thought, let me fool Swami into, when he's signing for the birthday boys, let him sign for me. That was my idea. That day when Swami came to sign the photographs, he signed everybody's and he looks at me and he says, "Hey, not birthday boy." Tells me to go back. I was in my mind thinking, Swami, this is unfair because when it was my birthday, you didn't sign. And today you're telling it's not my birthday. But I was not the one to give up easily. So I thought, let me continue with my persistence. Let me see how longer Swami will push me away. So 2-3 more days I took this permission slip to get my photograph signed and kept sitting with the birthday boys. And every day Swami did not look towards my photograph or sign the photograph. And he would just say, "You're not birthday boy." Now it happened so much that one day when I went to the warden to ask for another chit, another slip to sit in the front, he told me, "I have been seeing that Swami has not been signing your photographs for so many days. So just take a break. Give it a break. Don't pester Swami like this." Thus stopped my bringing the photo to the mandir and trying to get it blessed and signed. I was thinking, what did I do wrong? And intelligence, always this mind gives wrong ideas. Let me tell now itself that don't ever try to outsmart or outwit God with intelligence. People have tried. Hiranyakashipu tried. He said, "Lord, I should not be killed." He asked Brahma, "I should not be killed inside or outside. I should not be killed in daylight or night. I should not be killed by animal or man." And he thought he had covered everything so that he can be immortal. But then came the Narsimha avatar and finished him off. Same thing happened with Ravana and so many demons. Anybody who tries to outwit God with their head and intelligence don't realize that they are trying to take a fight with somebody who is the creator of that intelligence. And I was also there in that list along with Hiranyakashipu and Ravana and all. I was thinking, I made a mistake. Now I will outwit Swami. And what did I do? I began to pray sincerely to Swami. "Swami, please accept a letter from me. Please take my letter from me. Please take my letter from me." And I did this prayer for a week or 10 days, and I felt that now if I give a letter, Swami will definitely accept it because it is backed by so much of my prayer. Now in the letter, I wrote the letter, and in the end I wrote, "P.S. Swami, if you take this letter from me, you are giving me a promise that tomorrow you will sign this photograph for me." And I thought with this I will have trapped Swami. And interestingly, Swami that day took my letter from my hand, and I was thrilled. I was like, "Swami, I gotcha. I got you and you can't escape this." So the next day, as I got ready for darshan, I realized that our class was going last because there's a rotation. 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th was the order that day. Because 1 class goes first, 1 day. So I was in the 12th grade and our class was going last. And I felt, oh my God, I had told Swami that I will get the photograph for him and he has to sign it. But if I am not able to keep my end of the deal, that is take my photograph to him, then I can't blame him. And how can I take my photograph to him if I am seated somewhere in the back? So I again went to the warden to ask for a permission slip. He refused to give me the permission slip. He said, see, you give some more time. Swami has not signed it continuously for so many days. You wait for some more time. I said, no sir, I have this strong feeling that Swami will sign it today. He said, no, I feel you should wait for some more time. Do you think you know better or I know better? In my mind, I was feeling that I know better, but you better not say such things to your warden or elders. So I just kept quiet and I felt disappointed and I went to the mandir. Now, interestingly, on that same day, before the darshan in Purnachandra Auditorium, Swami had walked across to the adjacent Kulwant Hall to supervise the work going on there. And at such times, the rule was among the students that whichever class is coming last, they will not be getting a front place to sit during the darshan. Therefore, whichever class is coming last can sit in the corridor between the Kulwant Hall and Purnachandra Auditorium, in that passage, so that they can get a good darshan as Swami is returning back after supervising the works. And therefore, since our class was last, I got to sit actually along the path, first line, when Swami was in the Kulwant Hall waiting to return to the Purnachandra Auditorium. And I felt, oh my God, I should have got my photograph. I missed. Again, I made a mistake. Because I had not got the photograph because I thought there's no chance of it getting signed. Again, I did the mistake of using my intelligence. I said, the mistake was I had prayed to Swami that if you take this letter, tomorrow you will be signing the photograph. So now, I wrote another letter in which I wrote, P.S. Swami, if you take this letter, it means that within the next 1 month you will sign my photograph. I thought 1 month is a good enough time to trap him. And that day as Swami was coming, he saw all of us seated along the carpet there. The moment he saw us, he said, I'm going to go by the other gate. Everybody shouted, Swami, please, Swami, come this way. Swami, please, Swami, please. Then Swami obliged. He turned and walked. I felt, no, this is the opportunity. As Swami was walking past me, I got up and blocked his path. I blocked his path and I didn't want him to pass without taking the letter from me. So he took the letter and he said, Dunnapota, meaning buffalo. I was thinking, you tell me anything you want. Just take the letter and get trapped in my plot. Because once you promise me your Satya Sai, Satya is in your name itself, truth is in your name, you can't cheat me. That is what I was thinking. Swami walked into the Purnachandra from the back entrance and all of us were now getting up to rush into the auditorium so that we can sit for darshan, because this was the bonus darshan, as I said. At that point in time, one of Swami's security guards comes asking loudly, Sairam, whose is this? Whose is this? And he's holding a letter in his hand. Can you believe it? Just before entering the door, Swami has dropped only my letter down and gone in. I saw that and I was like, oh my God. And there were some senior brothers consoling me, telling, brother, you folded your letter very small, therefore it might have slipped out of Swami's hands. But in my mind, I knew that I was trying the wrong way to outwit Swami. After that, 2 months passed, I could not get the photograph signed. I gave up. In fact, during somebody's birthday, I gifted that photograph to him as a birthday gift. And I gave up hopes of Swami ever signing that photograph. A month later, the darshans were shifted back to Kulwant Hall. The new year began, 2000. The sports meet was held. And during the sports meet, I had got some very beautiful pictures of Swami coming into the stadium in the chariot. And whenever I used to go to darshan, I used to carry some photographs with the hope that if I get a chance, possibly Swami will sign one more photograph. Again, many days passed, no photographs got signed. Finally, I gave up totally. And I said, Swami, if you don't want to sign, what can I do? But then again, one day when I was seated in the portico, Mandir portico, right opposite to the interview room, I had my camera with me and I had gone there to take the photographs of the birthday boys again. You know, whoever is celebrating their birthday, when Swami blesses them, you take a photograph for them to create a memory for them for lifetime. I was doing that. So whenever I would see Swami signing somebody's photograph, I would try to show my photograph with the hope that Swami can sign. But then again Swami would say, hey, not birthday. And I would gracefully accept it and sit back. But this went on for a few times when one of the people who would walk behind Swami during darshan came to me and said, if you pester Swami like this to sign your photograph every time, I will ensure that you will never sit in the front here. Don't do like this. Now I was totally deflated. That day I just internally folded my hands and said, Swami, I don't think I will ever get a photo signed by you. So I am giving up this desire. I submitted to Swami. And that day, you know what happened? Swami came. Again, I was seated in the Mandir portico with the camera because there were some birthday boys who had requested me to come to take the photograph. Swami came and began to sign the photographs after blessing the birthday boys. And after he signed everybody's, this time I didn't get up because I was scared. I thought if I get up and give a photograph, I'm not scared of Swami. I'm scared that the other person will see me and never allow me to sit in the portico again. Swami finished and he's still holding the marker. And Swami is asking one little primary school boy, any more photographs? And this boy opens his book, digs out one photograph and gives it to Swami. Swami signs that. Swami asks, any more? So I'm sitting there and feeling, Swami, what is this? Then that boy pulls out a small photograph from his pocket and gives that to Swami. Swami signs that also. And then Swami asks, any more? Anybody else photograph? I was so nervous. I was so hesitant. I slightly opened my book and partially pulled out the photograph, but I did not show it to Swami. At that time, Swami himself looked at me and he said, photograph? I said, yes, Swami. Give. I ran and gave that photograph to Swami. Swami took that photograph and Swami said, can't you come prepared? If you had a pad, it would be so easier to sign the photograph. A pad to support the photograph, you know. I had nothing to say. Swami kept that photograph on his forearm and then signed it with love, Baba. That is the only photograph of Swami I have got. Just a second, I'll show it to you. Yeah, this is it. And you can see Swami's signature here. He signed it. I have laminated and kept this photograph. Of course, this photograph fell on a lamp because of which it got slightly singed and burned, but Swami's hand, nothing has happened. This was the photograph that Swami signed, and that is the day I realized that you can win over God only through surrender and love. Surrender and love. Surrender to His feet. Hold on to His feet. Tell Swami that, Swami, even if you kick me, I will not leave your feet because they are the only refuge I have. You know, when we surrender like that with love, Swami just melts. He melts. He can't do anything else. That is his biggest weakness. And therefore, it's our biggest strength. You know, the day I wanted to share this incident as a blog, I prayed to Swami and asked whether is it okay if I share this personal experience. On that day, this very photograph manifested Vibhuti on it. And I was so thrilled. In the description section of this video below, you will see I have shared the link to that blog. If you want more details of that story, you can read it there. But well, I would just like to sign off by saying, let us surrender ourselves with all our love, because that is His greatest weakness and our greatest strength. Thank you. Sai Ram.
Shakti tu, Eshu Pita
शिव तू। ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा। ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्व प्राणपते स्वामी सर्व प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतीका आश्रित कल्पलतीका आवद्बान्धवा। ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्र शयना। ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी साई महादेव सत्य साई महादेव मंगल हारति अंधुक मंगल हारति अंधुक मंगल दीवारे। ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 सर्वे जना सुखिनो भवन्तु।
जय बोलो भगवान श्री सती साई महाराज की
समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका